From the most humble place in the heart, for the longest time, and with the most tender touch, Seoul National Hospital has been a protector of the mental health of all citizens of the country. We, people of Seoul National Hospital, dream of healthy minds and happiness for everyone in Korea. Seoul National Hospital writes the history of Korea's mental health. Nobody paid attention to or took care of them. These people were neglected and abandoned by their own families and society. They had what people called God's punishment, mental diseases. We took them under our wings, treated and sent them back to society. "50 years ago, when even the concept of a mental disease was new, Seoul National Hospital started taking responsibility of treating Korean citizens' mental health as the first specialized psychiatric hospital in Korea, with modern facilities, excellent medical staff, and scientific treatment programs. The long path that Seoul National Hospital has paved for half a century is a living history of Korea's mental health. Seoul National Hospital has 9 wards, which are specialized for speedy recovery of each patient. Especially, the open ward and day hospital operate to help the patient's reassimilation into society and full recovery. As a first specialized psychiatric hospital, Seoul National Hospital offers 24-hour psychiatric emergency service. The hospital deals with modern society's psychopathology, such as various types of addictions, mood disorders, and stress-related illnesses, and provides excellent treatment programs for children and adolescents, who can also get regular schooling at Chamda-ul School, founded within the hospital.
현재 우리나라에서 내노라 하는 정신과 의사들 중에 국립서울병원을 거쳐가지 않은 의사는 찾기 힘들 겁니다. 한마디로 정신과 전문이 사관학교였던 셈이죠. 그리고 이러한 명맥은 오늘날까지 이어져 오고 있습니다.
Pioneering a new path in public mental health. The mental health of Korean people is under threat, as many are suffering from excessive stress and depression. But the reality is that they are not receiving appropriate treatment at the right time due to their misunderstanding and prejudice toward mental diseases. To cope with this issue, Seoul National Hospital has established a public mental health service team to provide solutions for various psychiatry-related problems and to reach out to the patients who are neglected through various treatment programs. The Child and Youth Mental Health Promotion Team educates children, adolescents, teachers, and parents on bullying prevention and treats the mental health of children and adolescent patients. The Psychological Trauma Team consults and treats victims of disasters and public office workers that are exposed to excessive stress. And the Forensic Psychiatry and Mental Health Team treats the mental health of criminals on probation for prevention of repeated crime and safe assimilation into society, and also takes care of probation officers. These 3 teams make up Seoul National Hospital's Public Mental Health Service Team. As a new hope for the mental health of Korean citizens, the Public Mental Health Service Team strives to be an outstanding mental health medical organization.
국립서울병원은 정부기관과의 협업을 통해 보다 많은 국민들께서 보다 양질의 공공정신보건 서비스를 받으실 수 있도록 노력하고 있으며 이미 이에 따른 많은 성과들을 거두고 있습니다.
We are responsible for the mental health of all citizens of Korea.
이제 우리 국립서울병원은 정신건강 진료와 연구 그리고 교육을 선도하는 국가중앙기관으로 거듭나고자 합니다.
Seoul National Hospital is about to take a big leap into the future with a half-a-century history and traditions as its foundation. Seoul National Hospital will focus on producing specialized professionals and become the center of 5 national psychiatric hospitals. Also, as Korea's #1 public psychiatric medical research center, we will set policies and develop business plans for national mental health. We will also establish a research-specific clinical center so R&D in the field of medical science can be pursued in depth. The National Institution for Mental Health Research and Promotion, which is to be completed by 2015, will be the core of Seoul National Hospital's goals and vision. The 12-story institution will be 44,188 square meters in size and have 3 underground floors. It will be equipped with state-of-the-art neuroscience treatment facilities and various educational training facilities. The National Institution for Mental Health Research and Promotion will become the cradle of Korea's mental health services and grow together with the local communities, as local residents will be given access to the facilities and resources.
전 국민의 4분의 1이 정신과적 도움이 필요하다고 합니다. 이러한 점에서 공공정신보건 의료 서비스의 중요성은 나날이 커지고 있습니다. 앞으로 국립서울병원은 치료와 연구 그리고 교육을 아우르는 국내 제1의 정신건강의료기관으로의 역할을 수행해 나갈 것입니다.
Seoul National Hospital will brighten the minds of 50 million citizens of Korea, where everyone will be entitled to the best mental health services. We will always strive to bring happiness to the lives of all people of Korea.